Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. Setting up Plex on your Xfinity Flex device for 2025. If you're tired of being limited to just the apps on your Xfinity box and want to stream your personal media library like movies, TV shows, and music from anywhere, Plex is the perfect solution. It's a powerful media server that lets you access your content seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need an Xfinity Flex device, a stable internet connection, and a Plex account. If you don't have a Plex account yet, head over to the Plex website and sign up for free. It's quick and easy. Once that's done, grab your remote and open the Xfinity App Store on your Flex device. Now, search for the Plex app in the store. It should be right there, ready to download. Go ahead and install it. This usually takes just a minute or two. After installation, launch the app and sign in with your Plex credentials. If you're new, you might need to verify your email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Next, it's time to configure your settings. Plex will guide you through connecting to your media server. If you have a computer or NAS device running Plex Media Server, ensure it's online and accessible. Add your media libraries by pointing Plex to the folders on your server where your files are stored. For example, create a library for movies and another for TV shows. Don't forget to organize your files properly for the best experience. Use standard naming conventions to avoid any playback issues. One common hiccup is firewall settings, so if things aren't connecting, check that your devices can communicate over your network. Once everything's linked up, you can start streaming. Browse your library, cast to your TV, and enjoy ad-free access to your content. There you have it. Plex on Xfinity Flex is now at your fingertips. This setup opens up a world of personalized entertainment. If you run into any issues, the Plex community forums are a great resource. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.